channel. My name is Jewlee Beauty, and today I'm going to do a small little video of what I got in my Boxycharm this month. Boxycharm is a $21 monthly subscription box that you get more than $100 worth of stuff in here, and I'm so excited for this month. I don't think I've seen any spoilers yet, but I'm so excited. So this month's theme is vacation, and all of the prices of all the stuff are in here. So the first thing that I pulled out is this Pretty Vulgar blush, which I just used the blush just that looks like this today. It's really bright, but if you use like a stippling brush, you won't go heavy with it. So the regular price for this is $26. So you see, it already is more than what you pay for, so that's good. And then this next one is a Butter London mascara. It's called Double Decker Lashes Mascara, and this one retails for $20. I'm so excited. Ooh, this thing's big. It just looks like that, and let's see. Yes, I love this. I love these brushes right here. I can't put it on. If you guys want my next one to be like a try-on unboxing, let me know, because I did my makeup and then this thing came. So I was like, whatever. This is under eye gels. That's weird. This retails for $10, and it's just a pack of eye gels. It comes with 3 eye gels, so there's 2 in each. That's cool. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. Well, you know, I'm gonna have to give these to my mom. The next thing that's in the box, oh yes, oh yes, oh. They got the new, oh my gosh, okay. This is the Purity and Boxycharm palette that I've seen everywhere. Open! This is so pretty! Oh my gosh. This one retails for $36. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. If you guys don't have makeup, or you guys need eyeshadows or makeup, like, this is such a good subscription box. Just like the Morphe Me. Oh my gosh, this is bomb. And then the last thing that I got is a 3 set of brushes. They always give like a set of brushes. I just have a lot, but I'm gonna open it so I can see what's in here. This one retails for $23 for 3 brushes. No thank you. So it comes with a packing brush, and it just looks like that. Then a angled fluffy blending brush, and then another packer brush. See, they look soft and everything, but I have better stuff to do. Oh, and it has like little step 1, step 2, step 3. That's pretty cool. Maybe I could do a giveaway with these. Somebody really wants them, make sure you guys let me know. I think that's everything that's in the box. If you guys want a second one, like for next month, which is April's box, if you guys want me to try it on and unbox it at the same time like Kathleen Lights does, because that's my girl. I don't really know her, but if I knew her, she'd be my friend. I already know. But anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this little tutorial. It's something new, not tutorial. Oh my god. You see, it's something new. I don't do these things. I usually do makeup tutorials. I stick to my makeup tutorials, but I really want to do different things. And if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like this, like it, like press the little like button. And also make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so that you guys can be notified whenever I post new videos. After you click that little subscribe button, you go ahead and do that. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to see a tutorial on this look, it is already up. I will leave it here or somewhere right here. I love you guys. Bye.
And you know me, turn the O2 02 into the 03, dog. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me.